This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Tim Thornton. Discover the charm of this lovingly maintained, move-in ready, 3-bed, 2-bath ranch home situated at the end of a cul-de-sac in the LARKSPUR neighborhood of KEMPSVILLE. A generously sized covered front porch lends to a light, bright and open floor plan on the inside of the home. Adjacent to the main living area you will find a galley kitchen with ceramic tile flooring, breakfast area, pantry and laundry room. The guest bath to include single sink vanity and fiberglass tub surround. Primary bedroom with ensuite boasts single sink vanity, stand-up shower with sliding glass door and dual closets. Enjoy a warm fire in the family room along with access to the fenced-in backyard and concrete patio/sidewalk, as well as a large front yard with more room to play in. The cul-de-sac is definitely an opportunity you don't want to miss. For more information, review the details below.